Hello folks, we have a Nissan Elgrand here which had the wing system, which is the hardest one to do out of the 5 because they have a basic upwards to top of the range. The reason it's hard because it's got a load of cameras around it. So anyway, this one's done. It's now got the new KENWOOD 7 series unit in here, which is a wireless Apple CarPlay. All the usual stuff that you see on all the videos is working. DAB, Bluetooth, the steering wheel controls are working. And we've managed to keep the factory reverse camera working, so that's not a problem. And then with the switch, we've got the side cameras working. Different options as you press them and back to normal. We've also got the heater display, which sometimes can be a problem to do, but not in this car. And yeah, back to this. If something like this interests you, you get a 3-year warranty as long as it's fitted by us, and we're part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme. And my name is Waz. We are based in Cardiff, Wales, and our telephone number is 02920 707 275. We can pretty much fit this unit into virtually any car, so this is probably more of a complicated one, but there are simpler solutions. Come and see us. Thank you. Bye bye.